Hi, my name is Rob Jones. I'm the president of Magnetar North America, and we're at CEDIA 2025 here in Denver, launching the announcement of our brand new second generation universal media players. The one here that you're looking at is the UDP900 MK2. From our first generation product, we've made significant upgrades across the board, much of which is in the audio space, dedicated TMDS retiming on our HDMI 2 audio port. We now support dual ESS 9038 Pro DACs. We've gone in and redesigned the 2.0 audio board from scratch and added better, improved copper wiring, better noise to distortion ratios, and our video side of things, we have upgraded the 1080p 4K, 480p to 1080p to 4K upscaling with our intelligent video image processing engine. We redesigned the optical drive to deal with more of the disc variances out in the world from older discs and discs that haven't been loved like they should be, and try and reduce some of that noise and error correction and readability, have to be a bit more tolerant. And then we've added Control 4 and Crestron support, and Roon Ready. It is in certification right now for Roon. And then our 800 player here is the little sister, the workhorse. Similar upgrades. Obviously has a much different price point than the UDP900. We've added some op amps to the board. Again, redesigned this audio board specifically from scratch, and upgraded all the wiring, TDS retiming on the audio port too. Also Roon Ready. Just a little different level price point. This has the multi-channel DAC. This does not. This is 2-channel out. Digital is multi-channel. So it kind of depends. If you're more audiophile interested, the 900. If you're just looking for a flagship player, reference grade, audiophile grade, you would go with the 800. And I forgot what I'm supposed to say last, so you're going to have to edit. And if you want more information, you can find us at sorry, I'm bouncing breath mint around. If you want more information, you can find us at http://magnetarusa.com.